Good morning, after evening. This is Radio OKP's news summary on the Wild Hour. Our major headlines today. Top scientific research group, Bookback, have proven through major research that the consumption of kenkey does not in any way cause cancer. The Bogus Federation of Ghana, i.e. Pimpinese, have stated that the wearing of trousers above the waistline is not fashionable anymore and therefore should not be worn in public. The chief spokesman, Mr. Danad Jerry Curl's no activator Mensa, emphasized that the long-term use of Jerry Curl activators not only affects the brain, but causes severe damage to pillowcases, bed sheets, furniture, and shirt collars. Finally, Ghanaian rap superstar, popularly known as Reggie Rockstone, aka Osei Kurom President, Obuoba Yawasante, put out an album titled Mina Mekanye, which is said to be causing mass hysteria not only in Ghana, but worldwide. At his recent press release and album launching, Reggie Rockstone said, and I quote, "Cassette way, one tobia, wake tree."